In the previous video, we were exploring one of the habits that you can add into your life. And today we're going to look at one habit that you can delete from your life. Now, some people refer to this as bad habits, but I prefer to say habits that pull you into the opposite direction on where you want to go. Now, each of us have one or multiple habits that we're not really proud of. Something that drains our energy, something that distracts us, something that just annoys us. The concept is very simple but profound. Before planting new seeds of positive habits, we must remove those negative ones. And this is a very beautiful concept that has been there in a lot of ancient and spiritual teachings as well. Before making room for growth, try to remove something that is actually pulling you down. So I want you to think about your most number one negative habit. Start by being honest and asking yourself, what is that one thing that I do that has the most negative impact in my life? This could be anything. It could be procrastinating. It could be spending so much time on social media. It could be neglecting your health. It could be not sleeping so much. The goal here is simple. You have to pinpoint a habit that if you eliminated that habit, it would lead to a positive change in your life. Then, to stop this habit, you need commitment. It's about being honest and telling yourself, this ends today and I truly mean it. It's not about, oh, I just want it to stop and I hope this will stop. You need to take ownership and take a strong decision that will help you break this. And remember, there will be days that you will not be able to keep up with your commitment. You might slip, you might fall, but this is all a part of the process. The key is to get up and keep moving forward. Here's your 6-step process to delete that habit that is pulling you down. The first thing is to recognize the habit, acknowledge and accept the habit that you have and know that you genuinely want to change it. This is the first thing. Acceptance will always be the first step towards transformation. The second is to identify the triggers. Identify what situations, feelings, time of the days actually trigger this habit. Understanding what triggers these habits will help you avoid them or prepare for a better or a alternative response to it. Now, replace one bad habit with a positive habit, because if you try to be cold turkey, it's not going to help so much. For example, if you're trying to reduce screen time before bed, replace it with reading a book or breathing or meditating. Then set clear boundaries. Make sure you tell yourself that this is a non-negotiable rule in your life, whether it is to cut down junk food or stop sweets. Start with implying this rule every day. And then it's going to be tough, right? So we need support and help. So share this goal with a friend, a family, someone that can hold you and accountable and also encourage you with this process that you're on. And then, like I always talk about, celebrate. No matter what you do, big, small, you've got to recognize it and celebrate it, because you have to bring in those reward processes. So identify and eliminate your number one negative habit. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. It's a commitment that you're making to yourself, one habit at a time. And once you start doing it, you will see that will have so many positive habits that will be flourishing and all of those negative ones will be coming down. So empower yourself. Good luck. Get that negative habit out of your life. You got this.